welcome to week 5, day 5 of math. We are almost done this week. We just have this lesson left and then you are all set. You guys have been working so hard and I'm super proud of what I've been seeing. So today for our review, I've chosen 2 problems that I want to challenge you with. So for this one here, we are going to do our double digit addition together. So we are doing 14 plus 26. Mrs. Gordon is so kind and broke up some of the work for you so that we could solve these. So remember, when we're doing 14 and 26, we need to make a number bond on the number that has a 1 in the tens place. Does 26 have a 1 in the tens place? That is why we did the number 14. So let's take a look here. We have 14. That breaks up into 10 plus 4. Then we are going to add all of our tens together because remember, I'm challenging you to do addition that way. So we're going to start by adding 10 and 26 together. So if we have 26 and we add on 10 more, what do we get as a final answer? Let's draw a picture to make sure. So we have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 26. Miss Gordon adds on 10 more. What is that number? 36. So 26 plus 10 is 36. All right, so we added our tens together. What's our next step here that we should do? What else needs to get added? That 4 needs to get added. So what should 4 get added to so that we can get the final answer for this problem? It's going to be to 36. So we're going to do 36 and we're going to add on 4 to it to get our final answer. Can you tell me what 36 plus 4 is? You could draw the picture or you could count up, right? That's my favorite strategy. So let's try that. So we have 36. We're going to count on 4 more. Ready? 37, 38, 39, and 40. So that means 36 plus 4 is 40. So last step here is to transfer our answer of 40 to our problem up here. So that means 14 plus 26 equals 40. Okay, this next problem is your challenge problem for today, and I want you to do this one on your own. I'm going to read it to you, I'm going to help you get set up, and then you're going to be doing it. Here's your problem here. So you have your tape box, and you have a story problem. So here we go. It says there are 19 leaves total. Oh, Miss Gordon needs to fix that. I am so sorry. There we go. Sorry about that. There are 19 leaves total. Some leaves are brown. 9 are red. How many leaves are brown? So we have our 19 leaves up here, and we have the part over here that tells us that there are 9 red leaves. We need to figure out the sum. So we don't know how many brown leaves there are. So what I need you to do is figure out how many leaves are brown by writing an equation and solving for it. So remember, when we say a story problem, you have someone read it, you read it to yourself, and read it again, and then solve, okay? So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to go ahead and solve this problem on your own. Go ahead. friends, we are going to solve this last problem together now. So one thing I do want to note here, you could have done an addition problem, you could have done a subtraction problem. So just because Mrs. Gordon solves it one way doesn't mean that your way is wrong. If we get the same answer, then you still did it correctly. So don't erase, don't freak out. It's okay to have a different way of solving something. So let's review here. So there are 19 leaves total. Some leaves are brown. Do we know how many are brown right now? No, we just know that some are brown and that 9 of those leaves are red. So we need to figure out how many leaves are brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve it by doing an addition problem. You could have done subtraction too. So I'm going to start with the amount of leaves I do know. So I know that there are 9 red leaves. Do I know how many leaves are brown at this moment? I don't. We just know that there are some. So know that there are 9 red leaves plus some leaves give me a total of 19. Okay, so now I just need to figure out this missing part. 9 plus something gives me 19. So what I could do is I could count up to 19 and solve that way. So let's see here. Miss Gordon has 9, so ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can count up to 19, ready? So I have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So how many triangles did Mrs. Gordon just count on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is our missing leaves here. So 9 plus 10 gives us 19. Something else you could have done when you were adding, when you have 9 plus something that gives you 19, I want you to look really closely here. If we go from 9 to 19, what got added? 10 got added to the tens place here. So before we had nothing in the tens place here, 9. But when we get to 19, a 1 got added to the tens place, which means you are adding 10. So you may have been able to do that without drawing a picture, but sometimes just comparing your numbers and seeing what changes in each place could help you solve. So we had 9 red leaves. We now know that there are 10 brown leaves, so 9 plus 10 gives us an answer of 19. So that is it for today's weekly review. Make sure you check your assignment for Seesaw. I hope you have a wonderful week and thank you so much for learning with me. Bye-bye.